How to Understand Fast English, a complete guide for English learners. Introduction. The struggle we all know. Have you ever been watching a movie or listening to a native speaker and thought, wait, what did they just say? You replay it. You slow it down. Still, it sounds like one long, mysterious sound. Maybe you've studied English for years. You know your grammar. You've memorized vocabulary. But when you hear someone say, "What you up to? I'm gonna head out," you freeze. You didn't hear, "What are you up to?" You heard a blur. You're not alone. Millions of English learners face this. Fast English is one of the biggest barriers to fluency. But here's the truth. You don't need perfect grammar or a giant vocabulary to understand fast English. You just need to train your ears and learn the natural way English is spoken. Let's dive deep into how you can start understanding fast English today, with real examples, powerful listening techniques, and daily habits that really work. Part 1. Why fast English feels impossible. Understanding why it's difficult is the first step toward solving the problem. Here are the top reasons. 1. Connected speech. Words merge together. In spoken English, words don't exist in isolation. They blend. What do you want to eat becomes what do you want to eat. I told you sounds like I told ya. This happens because English is a stress-timed language. Unstressed syllables get squeezed or dropped. 2. Reductions. Common words are shortened. English speakers reduce function words like to, you, of, have. I have to go becomes I have to go. Let me see becomes let me see. What are you doing becomes what you doing. These reductions are natural in fast speech and are used every day, not just in slang. Linking sounds. End meets beginning. When one word ends with a consonant and the next starts with a vowel, they connect. Turn it off sounds like turn it off. Pick it up sounds like peeked up. It's like one long word. Without training, your ears can't separate the pieces. 4. Native rhythm and intonation. English uses stress and pitch to convey meaning. Some syllables are loud and clear, others are fast and quiet. If you listen word by word, you'll miss the rhythm and get lost. Part 2, the solution. How to train your ears to understand fast English. Understanding fast English is a skill. Like music or sports, you can train your ears to hear more, faster, and more accurately. Here's how. 1. Start with slow listening, with subtitles. Choose a short video or show. Watch it with subtitles first. Understand the meaning. Then watch it without subtitles. Focus on the sound of each sentence. Repeat short sections until you can follow them comfortably. Pause and mimic the rhythm. 2. Use chunk training. Don't learn word by word. Train your ears to hear chunks of speech. Examples. Wanna grab lunch? How's it going? I don't know what happened. These phrases appear so often in conversation. Practice hearing and saying them naturally. 3. Shadowing. Speak with the audio. Listen to a native speaker say a sentence, then immediately repeat after them, mimicking their tone, speed, and flow. This method improves your listening, pronunciation, and rhythm all at once. Start with easy materials like TED Talks with transcripts, podcasts with clear speakers, TV shows with clear dialogue like Friends, The Office, or Modern Family. 4. Use dictation practice. Listen to one sentence. Write down exactly what you hear. Then check your version with the original subtitle or transcript. This helps you spot which sounds or words you're missing. Do this for just 5 minutes a day, and your listening will improve dramatically. Part 3, must know fast English phrases and how they sound. Learning the most common reductions and linking phrases can help you anticipate what you'll hear. What are you doing? What you doing? I'm gonna leave. Did you eat yet? Did you eat yet? I have to go. I have to go. Let me help you. Let me help you. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. I don't know. I dunno. I should have told you. I should have told you. Practice saying these aloud. Repetition helps you not only understand, but also use them naturally. Part 4, Daily Listening Routine for Real Progress. Here's a simple daily practice plan. Total time, 15 to 20 minutes. 1. 5 minutes passive listening. Play English podcasts or videos in the background while doing chores. Let your brain soak up the rhythm. 2. 5 to 10 minutes shadowing practice. Choose one clip. Pause after every sentence and repeat out loud. Try to match speed and intonation. 3. 5 minutes dictation. Listen to a short sentence and write down what you hear, then check. Repeat daily. 4. Bonus. Talk to yourself. Practice saying fast phrases when you're alone. For example, what you doing? Let me think about it. I'm going to be late. This builds your speaking confidence and helps you remember real phrases. Part 5, Real-Life Listening Confidence. Once you've trained with media, start using your listening skills in real conversations. Here's how. Watch native interviews and vlogs on YouTube. Join English-speaking groups on apps like HelloTalk, Tandem, or Speaky. Watch content with natural conversations like street interviews, daily vlogs, or reaction videos. Most importantly, don't be afraid to ask people to repeat themselves. Even native speakers do this all the time. Listening is a two-way skill. Conclusion, you can do this. Fast English may sound scary, but it's just a skill, and you can train it like any other. Learn the patterns, practice daily, be patient with yourself. With consistent effort, you'll go from "what did they just say" to "oh, I got it." If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more English learning videos, comment below. What's the fastest English phrase you struggle with the most? You're not just learning English, you're learning how to understand real people in real situations. And that's something to be proud of.